Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. For those of you who are here for the first time, and if you're not and you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, glad to see you back. Today I'm going to be doing another episode in the hair series, and I'm making a DIY hair butter and hair oil. And the hair oil specifically is going to be infused with a lot of different herbs and ingredients that are used in Ayurvedic medicine and traditionally for hair growths throughout the Eastern world. So I'm going to show you what the body butter looks like. So I'm going to show you what the hair butter looks like. It's this whipped mixture. It's thick and creamy, and I'm going to be using this in my wash day routine. So stay tuned, look out for that this weekend, because I'm stretching my hairstyles. I've started a challenge, a hair growth challenge for 8 weeks, starting from the 20th of no, not the 20th, starting from the 18th of February, going up until the 11th of April. I'm only doing mini twist, and this is a byproduct of mini twist, which is called a twist out. If you're not familiar with it, it's just a result of taking out your twist. And the next thing I'm going to be using is this hair oil. I'm going to use this to oil my scalp. So these two products are just definitely going to be starring in my hair video over the weekend. I tried to make a gel as well with chia seeds, but I didn't have enough chia seeds. I definitely overestimated or underestimated the amount of chia seeds that I would have needed for the recipe. So I know how to make the flaxseed gel. If you're interested in seeing me making that, then stay tuned, look out for that video as well. I'll be doing that in the future, but in the next few days I'm going to definitely be incorporating these two products into my hair routine. I'm going to be showing you all of the details, how I made it, and what the benefits of using these products are, what the different ingredients do for your hair. So if you want to see more of that, then stay tuned. So we're starting off with an 8-ounce applicator bottle, and to that we're going to be adding our clove, our rosemary. And the benefits of clove and rosemary are that they reduce hair breakage, they condition the scalp, and they can even have the ability to reduce the production of gray hairs. They also help to enhance the curls. The base of our oil is going to be coconut oil, and I'm going to add to that some castor oil. Coconut oil benefits include conditioning the scalp, moisturizing, reducing frizz, and preventing protein loss, which our hair is made up of protein bonds. We need as much protein as possible, and coconut oil is also known as a penetrative oil, so it is not just sealing off the hair, it's also going to go down into the shaft and give the hair the nutrients that it needs. So to that we're going to be adding our powders. First we're going to start with fenugreek powder, which is a rich source of vitamin A, K, and C, folic acid, potassium, calcium, iron, and protein, which are all essential for hair growth. Then we have our henna mixture, which has henna, amica, and shikakai powder. Henna is a natural dye. People know it for being a dye, but it also has the ability to reduce the number of grays that comes up. It helps to add shine and color to hair, and this grade of henna that I'm using is not the one that is used as a dye. It can also be used for softening the hair and conditioning it, as well as balancing the scalp's pH and oil production. It can also help with the production of dandruff. Amica oil is used also to condition the scalp and promote hair growth. Shikakai does also help prevent gray, detangles hair, strengthens hair, soothes scalp, adds shine and softness, and improves the texture of your hair. We also have shea butter benefits, which are moisturizing dry and damaged hair, helping to prevent split ends, strengthening the hair follicles, and it also has an anti-inflammatory property which can soothe dry, itchy scalp. It overall plays a role in healthy scalp environment, which is good for hair growth. Castor oil helps with hair growth, controls breakage, improves scalp health, shiny hair, fights dandruff, moisture. It combats hair loss and strengthens hair while reducing split ends. I forgot to mention ashwagandha when I was making the oil infusion. Ashwagandha also reduces hair loss by controlling cortisol levels and strengthening the hair follicles. So you can also take ashwagandha internally. I don't know if any of you know about ashwagandha and its beautiful benefits for people who have hormonal issues. I suffer from PCOS, so I definitely see the benefit of using it internally and externally. Ashwagandha also has the benefit of reducing inflammation in the scalp and irritation, and it can also eliminate dandruff. It can also promote melanin production, which gives hair its color. So now that we've spoken about the benefits of the ingredients that we're using, now we're going to talk about the method. So specifically for the oil, we add all of the ingredients to it and then add it to some water. It's called the double boiler method. You have it in a glass bowl, and then you add the glass bowl to a pot with water in it and allow the water to heat the formula. It helps to keep the integrity of the ingredients without overheating it, because you could probably reason, oh, I can put this in my microwave, but it won't have the same effect. So try the double boiler method, and after that I'm going to strain it and then funnel it into the applicator bottle that you saw in the beginning. The next thing is that with the shea butter mixture, it starts off like cold peanut butter. It's really stiff and it's hard to apply to your skin or to your body. So those of you who are familiar with using shea butter for your skin, you know that it can be quite stiff and that most times you have to warm it up in your palms before you apply it to your skin. So just the same way that you would not apply shea butter to your dry skin, you would not apply it to your dry hair. So you're going to see more about that when I do my wash day routine that I'm going to upload either Friday or Saturday. So look out for that video. You're gonna see exactly how I would use these products, because one might reason both of these are gonna be really oily in your hair, but you have to know your hair and your hair porosity as well. My hair is quite thirsty. It can do with a lot of moisture, and it does well with heavy products, so it's not going to do anything to my hair to have a lot of these rich products in it. As a matter of fact, it's gonna do much better than usual. So for the whipped butter, we just use a cake beater, or you can use a whisk if you want. It will probably take longer with like an immersion blender whisk attachment because it's finer, but either way you want to whip it until it becomes light and fluffy and airy. And then to this mixture I added glycerin, which is a great source of moisture. It draws moisture from the atmosphere, and I added some peppermint oil and some castor oil. So that's literally it for the shea butter mixture, and it was so light and fluffy. As you can see in the back there, it took up more volume than before it was whipped. And now I'm just showing you that I'm funneling the oil into this applicator bottle, and this oil will be used mainly on my scalp, not really for the ends or the shaft of my hair, because I'll be using the shea butter, which is pretty rich already. Alright beauty, so that brings us to the end of my video. Thank you so much for being here, and if you enjoyed this, then please leave a heart, a thumbs up, a smiley face, anything in the comments. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you can see every time that I post all the things. Alright, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for coming. Mwah. Bye.